creators, welcome back to the HitPaw channel. Ever watched an old video or downloaded a clip only to find that someone's face or part of the screen is covered with a blurry mosaic? It can be really frustrating, especially when you want to restore important details. The good news is that with HitPaw VikPea, removing mosaic blur from videos is easier than ever. Let me show you how it works. First, launch HitPaw VikPea and upload the video you want to fix. You can import a single file or multiple videos at the same time to save even more time. Next, choose the AI model that best matches your footage. Different AI models are optimized for different types of videos, helping you recover more details and improve the overall quality. Simply pick the one that fits your needs and let the AI do the hard work. Finally, click Preview to see the enhanced result before exporting. If you're happy with the improvement, just hit Export and save your restored video in high quality. And that's it! In just a few clicks, HitPaw VikPea can help reduce mosaic blur and enhance your videos without any complicated editing skills. Give it a try and bring your blurry videos back to life. Catch you in the next video.